Hi, Mary here.
Hi there.
And today we're going to be making a video on Lay's lightly salted, 50% less sodium, barbecue flavored chips.
It's got 160 calories. The serving size is 15 chips. Total fat 9 grams, saturated fat 1.5, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 60, carbohydrates 16, daily fiber 1 gram, total sugar 2 grams of protein, no, vitamin D, calcium is 10, iron 0.6, potassium 380, and vitamin C is 6%. Ingredients are vegetable oil, canola oil, soybean or sunflower oil, salt, potassium, onion powder, almost kind of the same ingredients as barbecue chips.
They smell good.
Interesting.
These don't taste right. They don't taste good.
They taste like lightly salted fries.
These are terrible. These are the worst chips I've ever purchased in my life. And I use food stamps for these. And these are terrible. These are terrible. And you don't even taste barbecue. You don't taste any flavor of that.
They're supposed to be healthy.
No, they're terrible.
Even though they're not actually healthy. Because comparing these barbecue chips with others.
These ones here, these Gator ones, these crunchy guys, these are a lot healthier. Those are disgusting.
They have less calories than those Gator ones.
I don't recommend these. Don't get these. Don't buy these. Don't even go get them in the store. They're awful. I know that, like you would say, get them. Do not. Do not more to say. What would you say?
I don't know, but it really tastes like lightly salted fries.
Get them if you are low sodium and you can't have salt. Get them. That's great for you, but no way. They don't have any flavor, so why would I want to eat them? And I was so excited to try those.
Yeah. So the original is supposed to have 140. I don't know what this one is.
140.
This one's 60, so very low on salt.
But what's so weird is like these ones have dietary fiber of 1 gram, and these Gator ones, these crunchy taters, they have dietary fiber of 2 grams, but then the sugar is 2 grams and the same thing. But I don't know, the iron's less, but then the potassium's more in here. You might as well just have said, don't put any salt in this whole package at all. They taste like shit.
Not very good. They taste more like plain potato chips than barbecue.
I would actually rate this a 4 out of 10.
Maybe a 5 out of 10.
If you maybe like have some like dip with these, maybe you could cover up the process of how it's terrible. But they're not that good. Comment down below what your favorite chips are. Maybe we'll get them and try them.
And don't forget to subscribe. subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
And see you in the next video.